Hello everybody, UB here at St.Albert Dodge. Thanks for sticking around, checking out the exterior walk around of this 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude Edition. Love the silver, love the black accents in it, black edition, recovery hooks, good driving lights, 20-inch rims, 20-inch wheels, lots of tread on the tires, black accents coming all the way down, proximity key entry. Love the black tinted windows. You come on back. It's a really very well maintained unit. We got backup sensors in the back, dual exhaust. You gotta love the black badging. Let's just check out the inside. Hey folks, thanks for sticking around. You'll be here at St.Albert Dodge. On the interior of this 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude Edition. This thing comes very well equipped. Power windows, power locks. Get your telescopic steering up and down. This thing only has 62,140 K at the present time. Got our 8-inch display here. We got our start and stop, parallel assist. Lots of storage. Love the compartments down here. Double system. Lots of storage there. The suede material is unbelievable, but looky. We got a nice sunroof up here. This thing comes very well equipped. What's not to like about it? Any questions, give me a shout, 780-220-3822. That's UB at St. Albert Dodge. Have a great day.